Today, we're making ice cream. Trace your hair sticker, then draw your design. Don't worry even if it's slightly out of the frame. You can join our Unicorn membership for printable templates. Cut to pieces for each part. Sew on the cone pattern. I'm using running stitch. You can do it continuously once you're used to it. Do the same for the other direction. Glue on the other parts. Make sure the overlapping edges are glued securely. Use the front piece as a guide for the back pieces. Make sure not to glue the front and back pieces together. Blanket stitch the front and back together, leaving a gap. Insert some filling to make it a bit puffy. Now close the gap. Hot glue the ice cream to the hair sticker. Then cut off the excess so it doesn't show. I made another with cherry and gold sprinkles. Thanks for watching my video.